All right, Miatas at the Gap 25. Are you kidding me? What a absolute ball. Anybody that drives a Miata, get here and really find out what this is about. A family of Miata lovers? Absolutely. And remember, Miata is always the answer, but the true answer of Miata, some people may not like it, but it is true. The Messiah is always the answer. My sweetheart, Charlene, I wish you were with me. She bought this fun little red girl back in 1996, and lo and behold, after I met her, to find out it was the exact same Miata I was wanting to purchase. And it is an amazing story. This is an amazing story of people coming together to have fun. Camaraderie, had a great lunch down at Topco. It's just an incredible place to go to. This whole area is Miata heaven. I would tell anybody that drives Miatas, likes Miatas, even likes driving cars, come here, have fun, see what this experience is about. Little red girl here, she's the baby, and just absolutely love her. So just very grateful for my sweetheart Charlene, my one and true love. Thank you very much. Miatas at the Gap 25. See you next year.